Good morning class. So today we will going to discuss about your third unit first lesson Swami expelled from the school. So the lesson name is Swami expelled from the school. What is meant by expelled means he put off, that is if we do any silly things we will take teacher, the teacher says no, get out from the class, that is the meaning of expelled. So here what is meant by Swami means Swaminathan. Do you all know about the Swaminathan? Swaminathan is a famous person. So this is the childhood story, or one of his childhood story of the Swaminathan, how he took a punishment and how he expelled from the schools and what happened. We will discuss in this lesson. So here the story is about the Swaminathan. So here what happened is the lecturer or a teacher came into the class. Then all wished the teacher is angry. That is he is very angry person, and before day the many students were absent. So he is in very angry state. Then he came with a angry face and he came into the class, and all wished him, that is before teacher enter into the class we will all wish, no? So like that all wished the class, and Swami also wished the teacher that he wished slowly that he is in the class, but where he is in the class we don't know. That in that way he wished the teacher. Then the teacher took have a look on the whole students, that the teacher saw the all students, and after that the teacher took attendance, and after that the teacher, what he did is he read the names of the students who had attended the class yesterday, and after he read the names who had absent on the before day or the previous day, and the teacher says that the who are absent in the previous day, you should stand and take a punishment. Then all the people who were absent on the previous day stood up. Then after that the teacher thought that this punishment was not enough, and what the teacher says that stand up on the desk. Then all the students who were absent on the previous day stood up on the benches, that is their desks. Then the teacher came near to the students and asked why you were absent yesterday. Then one said, I am suffering with a mild headache, that is why I am absent. Then the teacher said that tomorrow take and come the medical certificate. And he went to the another boy and asked why you are absent. Then that boy answered that when I am coming to the school, that is someone said that there is no school today. Then I listened that and I went off to my home back. This was the reason said by another student, and another student is saying that I am getting a mild stomach pain, and some is saying that I got a fever, and all the reasons are saying by different students. But when coming to the Swaminathan turn, the lecturer or the teacher asked why you were absent. Then the Swaminathan stood up silently. That is the before students all said lies. That is they told the different reasons. But the Swaminathan he didn't tell the truth, or he didn't told lies. He is sitting simply, that he is standing simply silently. Then the lecturer is keep on asking why you are absent. You are not ashamed to come to the class. What you did yesterday, you are not ashamed and coming to the class and sitting. Then the Swaminathan is he is very tensed, and he stood up silently, and the teacher is keep on asking why you were absent, but the Swami didn't give answer. Then the teacher called the peon, and what he did is taken come the stick or the something pain we will tell, no? Is taken come the stick, this rascal is not giving any answer, he told. Then the peon taken come go and taken come the stick. the peon went to the another room and he got a stick. He brought a stick anamata. Then what happened is the teacher first that is beat the Swaminathan and that is the teacher bet after also the Swaminathan didn't give any answer. Then after that he bet again once and that is to give, and the teacher says that if this boy will give no answer, go and stand on the desk. I will cancel your 15 days attendance and as 15 days attendance also, and you should stand on, that is all students who were absent on the previous day should stand on the desk for whole day. Then the head that is they are all going to the headmaster, and the headmaster said that this fellows telling the reasons are all false reasons, so they are all suspended for 15 days. So the students all suspended for 15 days, but the Swaminathan didn't give any answer. He stood silently in front of the headmaster also, and his whole body is burning because the teacher bet him like anything, and the whole body is burning. And the whole day finished, they all sat up on the desks only, and suddenly that is the Swaminathan become courage, that is he is very, the body is burning and he is very, that is he is somewhat angry from inside, and he suddenly stood up, that is he suddenly come down from the bench and he took his books and take up a bag and suddenly rushed, that is suddenly going out of the class, and he is murmuring or telling that I don't care for this dirty school. That is that is the school he is studying, he is considered that school as a dirty school because he was absent on the previous day and the teacher gave the punishment, and here the Swaminathan is a small boy, so he think that this teacher will always beat me and this is a dirty school, and he is, while going, he is murmuring himself that I don't care for this dirty school, and he went off. So this is all. If you are absent also, you will tell also some reasons, no? That in that same manner only they also said, and headmaster that is they caught in front of the headmaster and they are suspended. And Swaminathan didn't told anything and he is not suspended, and here the Swaminathan become angry and he is telling that I don't care for this dirty school, and he went off. This is all. This is a small and simple childhood story of the Swaminathan, but on that day he expelled from the school, but he is in now he is in the great position. So the moral is the school tells us many things, and we should learn and don't misuse this childhood life, because the school life is very good life, because when we complete our school and we go to our college life, there will be enjoyment, but there will be no childhood memories like school. So enjoy your school days, and also study also very important. So this is all about this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.